Hello there, hi, it's Dr. Craig Hindson from Loving Life Chiropractic here in Ottawa. So we're just in between seasons, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about what you can do to protect your lower back when you're shoveling snow. So the first thing, one of the most important things is to do some stretches, do some warm-up exercise before you get stuck in there. So very simple exercises. We're going to stretch our quad muscles, the big one at the front, and the hamstrings at the back. So for the quad muscles, just find something to support yourself. Your leg comes up to the front, hold on to the ankle, pull it back, and as you pull, holding it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you feel this nice stretch through the quads there. So that's starting to bring blood into this area and starting to stretch that muscle off. Now the next one, we're going to lean back. We're going to make sure that our ear and our shoulder stays over our ankle. We're going to have our hand on our rear foot, and we're going to stretch here. And we can feel the hamstring stretch out, and then as I pull my toe up towards the ceiling, I can feel it pull a lot harder. And as it does, I'm going to count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same on both sides. Now obviously we're going to be using our arms a little bit, so we can kind of do functional exercises, rolling them forward, rolling them back, and then I'm going to bring a stretch in here. So we're stretching off the shoulders, and then the other side, just open up the joints, letting that blood in, getting that fluid moving, and then hand down the back. We're just pulling that just nice and gently. Now obviously if you've got any aches and pains, you might want to be thinking twice about snow shoveling. You might want to get someone in, you might want to be using a snow blower, but at the same time you still need to warm up beforehand. And so there's some exercises, just some stretches, functional exercises, things like squats, really nice. Keep your ears over your hips, over your ankle, looking straight ahead, keep a good form, and that's just getting the blood going there. We want to also start rotating our hips, just to start to warm up the lower back. That's where a lot of problems happen, between the tailbone and the bottom vertebrae. And what we're trying to avoid is imbalancing the spine, which is causing nerve system problems, causing functional problems. Okay, so there we've got that functional exercise. And then the other thing I want you to practice as well is a glute squeeze. Now the reason we're doing that is when you shovel, just before you lift, you want to squeeze your gluteus maximus and your butt muscles. That's what Olympic weightlifters do. When they're doing their squats, they squeeze just before they impulse. So squeeze there just to tie this big muscle here, the hamstrings, together with your lower back. And it also engages the abdoms. So this is your inbuilt weightlifter's belt. So by doing that little butt squeeze, keeping your posture nice and upright, you can avoid all sorts of injuries. My name's Dr. Craig Hindson, Loving Life Chiropractic. Thank you very much.